It's me for the last time this evening. Smoke, light up. Friend. Song reminds me of my brother Rick. He died Easter last year. COPD. Visions slowly increasing. And I miss him. And I have regrets. And I'll never be the same. Brain still remains the sound of silence. Never systems I walked alone. Narrow streets of cobblestone. Light it up to the cold and damp. My eyes would stand by the flash of a neon light. Split the night and touch the sound of silence. This is a killer song, people. The naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. Without people living without listening. People writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Now you will not know. Silence like a cancer grows. That I might reach you. Killer. That I might reach you. My words, silent raindrops fall. This of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning. It was forming. Said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, tenement halls. Of silence. Take care of yourself, people. Enjoy life. Peace.